Welcome to OpenSoftLab's YouTube channel. We're thrilled to have you here. At OpenSoftLab, we pride ourselves on offering cutting-edge solutions in software development, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and comprehensive project management. Our team is dedicated to pushing the boundaries of technology to bring you the most innovative and efficient solutions. Our channel features a variety of tutorials on programming languages and technologies. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, you'll find valuable content to enhance your skills. We also showcase project highlights, giving you an inside look at some of our most exciting and impactful projects. See how we bring ideas to life and solve real-world problems. Don't miss our webinars, where industry experts share their knowledge and insights. Plus, we offer tips to help you enhance your productivity and stay ahead in the tech world. Join our growing community by subscribing to our channel. Stay updated with the latest innovations, tutorials, and expert advice. Be part of a network that thrives on knowledge and innovation. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable content. Stay tuned and keep innovating.